Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix security certificate error on Android. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings app on your Android device and go to System or General Management, depending on model. Tap Date and Time and enable Automatic Date and Time along with Automatic Time Zone to correct system clock issues. If error persists, restart your phone to refresh system services and remove temporary glitches affecting certificates. Check internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data for stable verification of security certificates. Keep Android system updated because updates fix certificate validation problems and improve overall security reliability. Also, try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset network authentication. Make sure you are not using VPN, because it can interfere with certificate verification on secure websites and apps. Finally, reboot device after applying all changes. So that's basically how you can fix security certificate error on Android. That's it for this video. Thanks.